withdrawals of more than 10,000 shillings. This led to panic lines at the lender's branches, especially in Nairobi. The bank has now come out to acknowledge that indeed they are going through a liquidity challenge, but assured all their customers that they were working with the Central Bank of Kenya to resume normal service. These were the scenes witnessed in some of the branches of the lender as customers came to terms with the limitation in withdrawals. A spot check by Look Up TV indicated that customers were only allowed to withdraw 10,000 shillings in some branches along Wabera and Kimathi Street. The bank has now come out to indeed agree that the challenge is being experienced in some of the branches. The statement in part reads that the management is aware of the challenge occasioned by the panic withdrawals and in consultation with the regulator decided to limit some of the services. They further indicated that the limitations in withdrawals are meant to ensure sustainability of the bank's services in the medium term to the future. The statement further reads that the bank in consultation with the regulator is working hard to ensure that it achieves its core mandate as one of the best Sharia-compliant banks in Kenya. The Kenyan banking industry has not been treated with the news of collapsing banks after the famous collapse of Chase Bank. Recently, the Central Bank of Kenya was put on the spot for the way they handled Mwalimu Sacco's struggling Spire Bank, which was bought by Equity Bank. The regulator maintains that the industry is still stable despite pockets of the struggling banks. For Look Up Business, Simba, Elijah Charles Kiag.